in any type of fitness community, there's always going to be people who are like naturally competitive.
3, 2, 1, 20-second run of the Grand Rapids Marathon.
A lot of people want to run a lot more, they just don't have people to run with throughout the week. Like, how can we elevate the club even more so than what we've already been doing?
Slide out the garage, I got 100 cars, just for the underdogs. The teller just asked me how I want the cashy. I told him 100 large. I want the gold wraps, printed up double R. Big dog, big dog, big dog. Roof, popping out saying I'm great. Who? Biscayne drive, I cut off my roof. You know how I'm coming this take. 2, tell her, get out the way. 4x4 big phantom. They thought I was canceled. I piped up and flipped the channel. LST on the rim.
Genuinely, people just want to spend more time with the people that show up every Saturday. And like you said, a 20, 30-minute run, like it's just not enough time. And then, you know, we mix in the coffee afterwards, which kind of extends the duration of our events, but like it's just still not enough. There's so many people I want to connect with, and I think so many people and so many relationships that are just out there waiting to happen, which is just really cool. So being able to, I guess, set the table through more miles, I think would be fantastic for a lot of people.
Remaining silent, ain't changing no code. Ain't got no time to be chasing no. Ain't got no time to be playing it safe. No, no. Slide out the garage. I got 100 cars. Just for the underdog.
I see here some pennies for Davenport, reversible, so we're kind of doing both sides.
That's cool.
Getting the numbers, the logos on. It kind of has like that screen print look and feel and vibe, but a lot quicker. Something like this can be done in a couple seconds. The logos can come in, like Sam said, if you do need any adjustments to the logo or anything smaller, I mean, we could get that probably within 48 hours max. We're getting those.
Tall and wide it is. Like, this is the tallest it has. Very nice.
It's pretty crisp and clean.
Yeah, that's sick. Very clean, yep.
Well done, well done.
Does I want to feel that?
Feel the.
I was thinking there was a chance, but this was definitely like, yeah. Okay, cool.
I see.
That looks good.
And now people are like,
Okay.
so I'm trying to like, okay, let's do this correctly.
It's a pun.
Yeah.
Officially.
Yes.
However we can
Help.
absolutely
Yeah.
happy to.
For sure.
It's awesome.
I don't know if I want that in there because I'm not liking the blue.
What?
I need something here. I just don't want that because I don't like the blue in it. I'm kind of liking the blacks, the grays, the pinks right now.
2 different states to come see you in between tour. I gave you everything I had and even more. Just understand it's not like me to get my heart.
Wow. We got him.
Yes, sir.
Let's get this on.
I love it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love.
I'm not wearing boots.
You sure?
Yep.
You got the chest shade and everything.
Fresh shave for that right there.
Thanks. Like, Pokey, if I didn't shave my chest, I was like, you ever had that problem, Bella?
Yeah, all the time.
I don't have the physique for
Dude, the dress, look at you.
Hit a flat spread.
Guys, I'm so excited!
This is fun.
That's the Evo?
So these are both audio,
Okay.
but these are Dylan's. And then these are my new Bostons.
Love. How do you like them?
They were sweet.
I love mine.
So good. I loved them. I'm trying to decide which ones like I should end up wearing.
I'm like sweaty. I'm like lotioning and I'm sliding on.
Okay.
Get my hair too.
And I'm gonna wear right now.
Perfect.
Cool. Let's get one more time here just so you know. Yeah.
Let's throw the shirt up.
In the front.
Can we like hack it somehow? Like
No. Well, we just gotta go.